Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious, savory comfort food, shepherd's pie, sometimes known as cottage pie if you use ground beef. Now this is a comfort food classic made with ground beef or lamb and mixed with vegetables, a savory gravy, and topped with cheesy mashed potatoes and baked. Now this is perfect for a winter, snowy day like we're having today. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. For the shepherd's pie or cottage pie, we have ground beef. Now for a traditional shepherd's pie, you can use ground lamb. We have a yellow onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1.5 to 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. I have some leftover mashed potatoes that I'm using. You can certainly make fresh mashed potatoes. Dried parsley flakes, dried rosemary, dried thyme, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, a couple of tablespoons of flour, some butter, some Parmesan cheese to mix into the mashed potatoes, and some tomato paste. Okay, we're going to start off by mixing our spices together. I want 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. So we'll just give that a mix. And when we cook our ground beef, we'll add that to the mixture. Next, I want to chop 1 onion. Mine's a pretty large onion. I'm just going to go with it. Yours can be small to medium if you like. Next, I'm going to prep my garlic. I've got 2 large cloves of garlic. You can mince it up, or you can just put it through a little garlic press like I have here. Okay, now we're going to go over to the stove and start cooking our onions. I'm going to turn my heat on medium-high. Start with just a little bit of olive oil to cook our onions. And then we're just going to saute the onions until they're soft. And then we'll add our ground beef. Those are nice and soft and fragrant. Now I'm going to add in my ground beef, 1 pound of lean ground beef. Just break it apart as best you can. Okay, once your ground beef is broken apart pretty well, then you'll add in your mixture of spices, the parsley, rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper. And then you just want to cook it probably 5 or 6 minutes until all of the pink is gone from your ground beef or ground lamb if you're using that. Once the meat is cooked and the pink is gone, I'm going to add in my garlic and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You'll want to cook that for about a minute. The garlic and the Worcestershire sauce and all of those spices just smell amazing. Now you want to add in the flour. That's 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You just want to incorporate that tomato mixture into the ground beef. Next, you'll add in 1 cup of beef broth and 1.5 cups of frozen vegetables. Now, I just have a mixture of peas, carrots, green beans, and corn. Just use what you have. You just want to put this on a simmer for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to move it to another burner to simmer. So next we're going to warm up our mashed potatoes. Now we had leftover mashed potatoes. You can certainly start from scratch and make your own mashed potatoes. But I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of butter. Then I'm just going to scoop in. I had a couple of cups of mashed potatoes. So I'm going to mix in a little bit of butter, some Parmesan cheese, and a little milk to thin it out just a little bit. I'm just going to take a potato masher, kind of remash the potatoes, get them warmed up. Just going to add in a little bit of milk. I have about 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. And really you just want to get them warmed up enough so you can spread them over the top of the pie. Okay, now we're going to assemble our pie. You can take like a 9 by 9 inch pan. I'm using an 11 by 7 inch pan. And then I'll add in my meat mixture. Next, you want to spoon your potatoes right over the top of that. Now, if this isn't comfort food, I don't know what is. Just spread it out. You could add cheese or whatever you want on top. I'm just going to leave it like this. And I'm going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven after 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Have a little bit of browning on top, that beautiful potato layer. We're going to let it cool for just a few minutes and then we'll slice into it and give it a taste test. Okay, let's cut into this and see how it looks. That looks mighty good. Okay, now for a taste test of the shepherd's pie. That is pure comfort food. With that ground beef on the bottom, mixed in with the vegetables, and those spices really give it a unique depth of flavor with the rosemary and the thyme and the parsley. Really good. And then the creamy mashed potatoes right on top. Not to be 100% authentic, you could certainly try this with lamb. But I think most people in the States probably use ground beef when they make this. I think this is perfect, especially for a day like today. We've had snow all day. Kind of one of those days where you just want to hunker down and have some good comfort food. Thank you so much for joining me here on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made shepherd's pie. Or if you want to be a real stickler, you could call it cottage pie. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and share this video with your friends who may like home cooking. We'll see you next time.